Let's have candidate number 5. Hi, candidate number 5. Kamusta si candidate number 5?
I feel a bit nervous, but I know with God's grace I can do it.
Is it your first time joining a pageant?
Hindi.
Wow. Okay. Ramdam na ramdam ko kanina. Ilang taon na ba si candidate number 5?
40 years.
14. At age of 14, nakita ko yung pasarelo walk niya kanina. Pasabog. Ganun din ako dati. I'm just kidding. Ready ka na ba? Sa ating question and answer portion?
Yes.
Ready na siya? SK, pabunutin mo na siya. Babasahin ko ng 2 beses ang inyong tanong. At ang napili mo ay question number 2. Paano makakatulong ang kababaihan sa pag-unlad ng ating komunidad? Uulitin ko. Paano makakatulong ang kababaihan sa pag-unlad ng ating komunidad?
Thank you for that wonderful question. Makakatulong ang kababaihan sa pag-unlad ng ating komunidad kapag ang isang babae ay may boses, may oportunidad. Hey ladies, don't just be a woman who is seen. Be a woman who is heard, and be the one who speaks with purpose, acts with courage, and stand with conviction. True power lies in your ability to rise above challenges, lift others up, and create a change. Beauty fades, but strength, resilience, and wisdom are timeless. So never underestimate the force of a woman who believes in herself and the world she can shape. Thank you.